So hey guys, today I'm here to introduce a brand new program which going to launch on the 8th of August at 11 am Eastern, whose name is CryptoKit. So in this video we will discuss what is CryptoKit, what's features and how you can make money with this CryptoKit software. So stay connected at the end. So CryptoKit is a cloud-hosted brandable cryptocurrency decentralized exchange, or DX for short, which allows people to connect their crypto wallets or create one on your website and buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies, earning you passive automatic fees from every transaction. So here I am on the sales page of CryptoKit, and here I will review all the important parts of the CryptoKit sales page that you should know about this. So here you can see the CryptoKit organizing an event on the 8th of August at 9 am Eastern, where CryptoKit vendor will tell you how you can use the CryptoKit with the step-by-step process and how you can make money with the CryptoKit. So register yourself with this event. This would very informative and beneficial for you, and also you can win some amazing bonuses, discounts and offers here. So I have mentioned the direct link to this page in the description box, so you can check it out. Now if we jump onto the features and benefits of CryptoKit, that is what you will receive after getting this software. So here you can see autopilot crypto payouts without ever investing, mining or trading, zero risk. So what you will receive after be a CryptoKit customers, then the CryptoKit hosted on their own subdomain and ready to customize. You will get instantly activated crypto wallets which is set up for them securely, nothing stored on our website, plus any members who visit their CryptoKit website can create a crypto wallet smoothly, perfect entry access for complete beginners. Then the next is white label DEX exchange. Your website visitor can buy crypto with their credit card, sell and trade, exchange cryptocurrencies on your website, earning you an admin fee for every transaction process. So that's the way you will earn a passive income to using the CryptoKit website. Then the white label get paid to software inbuilt system rewards visitors who coming back to your website, paying out in cryptocurrencies. Each action they are rewarded with the earns you the website owners between 5 to 50 or even 100x as much an advertising reward. And here is inbuilt lotto game. Admin choose the price and select admin fee. All sales of ticket entries, price, reward and delivery is automated. Admin sets up and takes the profit. And this is full design customizable features, inbuilt coin flip game. This is such a game, then admin takes a fee from every coin flip attempt, paying out approx 50% of the time, but taking a small fee from the wins and taking all losses from players. So this is how you can make money with this CryptoKit website. And here is inbuilt viral affiliate system, your own blog you will create, and optimize, manage as withdraw your crypto wallet BTC. You get paid to software displays high paying advertise optimized by our team and pays out in Bitcoin. You can use our inbuilt ads with one click on login or display your own for full control. So yeah, this has never been done before, and it's perfectly timed to build the next generation of crypto millionaires with zero risk. So yeah, here is my quick review of CryptoKit. I hope you have got all information about CryptoKit. So if you are interested in trying this crypto money making system, so I have put the CryptoKit link in the description box so you can quickly check it out. And if you will buy this software through my link, then I will also provide you my $1,000 worth of premium bonuses, which would also help you to make extra cash from my side. So don't forget to use my link. So I will catch you in the next review. Until then, chase your dreams. Thanks for watching.